Umesh ji, much of organized religion is really about land grab, right? But I shouldn't be saying it here in Varanasi, but hey. Uh, Kabir's philosophy of Nirgun, tell us, give us a sense of it. What does that mean? And why did he then stand against this whole idea of an organized religion, especially a religion that looks at power, politics, land, and wealth?
मुझे जो बात समझ आती है, निर्गुण कोई रिलीजन नहीं है। फिर से मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं अपना सेंटेंस दोहराऊं, मुझे जो बात समझ आती है, मैं इसे इम्फेसाइज कर रहा हूं कि मुझे जो बात समझ में आती है। इस बात को मैं इसलिए बार बार कह रहा हूं कि जब हम कबीर की बात करना शुरू करते हैं, जैसे आप अभी बता भी रही थी लिंडा हेस, कि हम कबीर के साथ मिलावट शुरू कर देते हैं। तो पहली चीज तो निर्गुण एक फॉर्मलेस कॉन्सेप्ट्स की बात करता है जो सिर्फ फील किया जा सकता है। सो लाइक निर्गुण मीन्स विच इज फॉर्मलेस, यू कैन नॉट सी थ्रू योर आईज, यू कैन ओनली एक्सपीरियंस इट। बट मैं इस बात को इंश्योर कर सकता हूं कि यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस इट, बट देयर इज सर्टेन प्रोसेस that even I had learned while my ashram life, while spending my life in ashram. So मुझे लगता है कि निर्गुण कोई रिलीजन नहीं है। अगर हम किसी भी रिलीजन की बात करें, so जो अल्टीमेट डेस्टिनेशन किसी भी रिलीजन का है, मैं तो कह सकता हूं क्योंकि मैं काशी से हूं, तो मुझे लगता है ये बात किसी को बुरी भी नहीं लगेगी, अल्टीमेट गोल निर्गुण ही होता है। आप कभी चुपचाप बैठते हैं जो अपने साथ, जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस के साथ बैठते हैं, उस कुछ मोमेंट्स में आप उस निर्गुण को एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन द निर्गुण, देन आई थिंक सो दैट विल बी सगुण, सो आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट, सॉरी। बट इफ यू गाइज आर हियर, इफ यू वांट टू सिट समवेयर, यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस इट इन बनारस। सो कबीर उसकी बात करते हैं, अल्टीमेट सोर्स की बात करते हैं। इसीलिए वो ये कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? मन ना रंगाए, रंगाए जोगी कपड़ा। Again, you need to understand this. You can see so many sadhus, so many monks who is just going here and there in a kind of
And
certain
politicians.
rope. Yeah, in certain ropes. But it is very important to understand the cruciality, the subtle truth behind it. Are you meeting really to the monks, or you are meeting a certain kind of people who have just put that kind of cloths, a color cloths? The day you will got an opportunity to meet a real sadhu, that very day you will understand what is real sadhu, and you are not going to oppose them. But that is the thing you need to understand. So if somebody is going somewhere, somebody is accepting certain things, that's their problem, that's not the problem of Kabir. That's why Kabir is saying, man na rangaye, rangaye jogi kapda. So what is important? It is important to color yourself. It is not important to color your clothes. Even you can see I have certain white color, which represents my ashram. But the journey is behind that clothes. So Kabir is again not criticizing. Kabir is talking to people and he's telling truth. Whatever you are doing, it's not reality. You need to travel across this. That's what Kabir is trying to tell. So that's why he's opposing. And then again, Kabir is not opposing any religion. साहब मेरा एक है, दूजा कहा न जाए, दूजा साहब जो कहूं, साहब खड़ा रसाए. So he's one. If he's one, then why we are quarreling? That's why Kabir standing in a temple and then he's standing in mosque and he's talking to people. Oh people, what are you doing? Whosoever is emphasizing on reading books, Kabir is talking to them. पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुआ, पंडित भयान कोय, ढाई आखर प्रेम का पढ़े सु पंडित होय. Again, Kabir is not denying to read books or scriptures. Kabir is emphasizing on understand the love. That's why he's saying, oh dear brother, you are reading a different kind of scriptures. You are reading Vedas, Upanishad, Bible and Quran, and you are unable to understand the meaning of love. Then why are you reading? And then he's saying the day you will understand the meaning of love, that very day all the books become futile. So Kabir is talking about truth. Kabir is not opposing anybody. But most of the time, I don't know, आप ज्यादातर लोगों को ये सुनते हैं कि कबीर अपोज कर रहे हैं, कबीर अगेंस्ट में बोल रहे हैं. आप क्यों नहीं समझ पा रहे हो इस बात को? आप बताओ मुझे, इसी लाइन में बता दो. आप खुद समझदार हैं, इसे एनालिसिस कर लीजिए. पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जगमुआ, पंडित भयान कोय, ढाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सु पंडित होए. ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जो इस बात में बिलीव करते हैं? अभी मैं फिर से बात कर रहा हूं, कितने लोग बिलीव करते हैं या मानते हैं कि कोई भी व्यक्ति पोथियां पढ़कर ज्ञानी हो सकता है? How many of you believe that even if you are collecting information from different scriptures, then you will become the jnani,
The enlightened.
the enlightened? Nobody. So the path of enlightenment is very different. It always comes through experience. That's what Kabir is saying. So we always follow the experience. And that's why Kabir said, मोको कहां ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में. लेकिन मैं इस बात को भी कहना चाहूंगा कि बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपने आप का भी एनालिसिस कर लें. Because the first day you took a book, you started reading a book, and then you found the Sabad of Kabir. And that Sabad is what? जहां जहां जाऊं सोई परिक्रमा, जो जो करूं सो पूजा. So wherever I go, I'm taking the sacred round of temple. And whatever I am doing, it's a kind of worshipping. So if a very day you took a book and started reading, and then you proclaim that now whatever I am doing, that's like a puja. No, I deny that. For reaching that state, you need certain practices. And I'm not saying practices means you have to take certain posture. If you are doing, I'm not against it. And even Kabir was not against it. Kabir was saying those things to people, but he was trying to tell them reality. Whatever you are doing, if you're just trying to purify yourself, if you're trying to understand the love, if you're trying to understand the truth, if you're trying to understand the ultimate alchemy within you, then it's okay. But if you're trying to do that, if you're pretending to do that, then Kabir is against it.